Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, we're just gonna open up our settings. In here, navigate it down to not this option, advanced features, right? Nope, never mind. Where is it? Oh, there we go, general management. So in general management, scroll down and you'll find reset. Then scroll down again, and at the very bottom you'll find factory data reset. Now when you click on this, it will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data. Below here you can find applications that will also lose their app data. So things like information of what account was logged in and so on. It doesn't really matter what's here, to be completely honest, apart from maybe things like notes and other things where you might keep some kind of information that could be important to you. But what really matters is the things like photos, music, downloaded documents, files, and basically just generally user data. So if you have anything like that you'd like to maintain, I recommend grabbing a cable, plugging it in, and then moving over the data to your computer. Now if we scroll down and select reset, never mind, we don't have the option to back it up right here, but you do have the option somewhere. Oh, there we go, it's right here at the bottom. As you can see, you can use the smart switch to back up your device. So this can be done to another phone as an example, like this one, or it can be done to my computer. Now, this option will work pretty well. I don't want to take away from that, but it's absolute shit of an idea to do this. The reason for that is because if you do the backup manually, data stored on your computer using the smart switch, that data is only available to you now on another Samsung. How about no? And furthermore, from my experience, at least when I was using a Fold 6, for some reason, when I had it plugged in, would occasionally, while copying over the data, disconnect, because screw me. Now, if you're wondering that, oh, maybe the cable was wrong or whatever bullshit idea, you would be wrong, because doing the same kind of thing using their garbage-ass smart switch, everything went fine. Same amount of time, same cable, same data. And one disconnects for no freaking reason that never did before, but only started when I needed to copy the data, which seems like a blatantly designed shit to force me to this dog shit. So, I am a vindictive little shit, and I will take that sweet time, even if I waste it, by basically saying F off and doing it manually, bit by effing bit, just so I never have to interact with this piece of shit. So that's just my general opinion of this, and I recommend following the same thing. There's no reason why your data should be kept locked away from your access on other devices just because you decided to use a piece of shit smart switch program for this. So, anyway, we're gonna go back because I actually don't have anything likely here that I would like to back up, so I don't need to deal with this trash, and I can just select reset and then delete all, which will now begin resetting the device. But I do want to point out, in your case, before you can press the delete all, you might need to sign out of a Samsung account, and when you do that, it will then begin the reset. But that will only show up if you have a Samsung account signed in. If you don't, this is what's going to happen. So anyway, this will take probably 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.